Hi South Africa. This video is for the Pick 3. I put pi there, but I meant to put pair method there, so ignore that. It should say pair method, not pi method. And then, so basically what this method is just going back a month and then testing out to see which two digits are going to show up again in the next 7 days. So for your country, South Africa, seems like you guys like Wednesdays. And then as I go along here, this method is good for 7 days. The types of pair play for South Africa is front pair, split pair, and back pair. And then also, I don't know the prize amounts. I tried to look, but it didn't I couldn't really make it out because it wasn't in, US dollars. So if someone could comment and let me know the prize amounts in the comments. So in South Africa, your pairs are front pair, split pair, and back pair. So for an example, I'm going to use the number 056. So you see how on that first front pair there, so say you had a 056 hit. If you had played 05 front pair, you would win. And then if you played 50 front pair, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. And it doesn't necessarily have to be 056. It could be 050, 051, 052, etc. on that. And then if you did split pair, if we're using the same example, the 065 number, as long as you played a 0x5 split, then you would win. And then if you played 5x0 split, you would not win because, again, it does have to be exact. And then same example, let's say you had it as 605. Let's say you played a 05 back pair, then you would win. And then if you played a 50 back pair, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. So in the next couple sections, I'm just going to show you an example of how I do the back testing. So what I do is I go back about a month. If you can't see the numbers very well, just make sure you pull up your site on whatever site you use to look at the numbers. In this week here, so on May 9th, you had 463 hit. So what you're looking for is 4-6 pair, 6-3 pair, 3-4 pair, 3-6 pair, and then this week you had 6-3 front pair with 6-3-7 on May 15th. And then if you go to the next week on May 16th, you had 6-2-4 hit, so you're looking for a 6-2 pair, a 2-4 pair, a 4-6 pair, and a 4-2 pair. And then this week you had a 6-4 back pair on May 18th with 3-6-4. And then on May 19th you had a 4-6-8 fall, so you had a 4-6 front pair. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you a couple more examples. Okay, so on May 23rd, you had 4-5-7 hit. So you're looking for a 4-5 pair, a 5-7 pair, a 7-4 pair, or a 7-5 pair. In this example, you had a 7x4 split on May 25th with 7-3-4. And then in the next week, you had a 2-4-3 hit on May 30th. And from that, you had a 2x3 split on May 31st with 2-1-3. You also had a 4-3 back pair on June 2nd with 3-4-3. And you also had a 2-4 back pair on June 3rd with 2-2-4. So based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days, and it's coming from the number that hit today, the 082. So you might have like a 8-2 front pair, an 8-2 back pair, a 0-2 back pair, a 2-0 front pair, a 2x0 split, a 0x2 split, and a 0-8 back pair. One thing to keep in mind is they may show up how I'm not thinking about here, so they may come like 0-2 back pair or 0-2 front pair, 2-0 back pair, etc. So I may have missed a few examples that could show up here, but you get the main idea. Okay, so South Africa, that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.